Hello class, this is Mr. Bowman, and today we will be doing a read along, and the book is called The Chocolate Factory. Now, before we get started with this book, I want to point out a couple of important reminders. Do you all remember text features? Because I'm looking at a text feature on this first page that we see. Remember, text features can be titles, title pages, table of contents. We also have index, glossary, and even headings. So as we go throughout this book, let's remember that we may see some text features, okay? So the name of this book is called The Chocolate Factory. And when we look at the table of contents, it shows that we will have about 16 pages to read. So let's get started. Again, The Chocolate Factory. Do you like chocolate? Do you know that chocolate comes from a tree? If we look up in the corner, we can see a caption, and this shows us a tree and pods. Remember, that is an important text feature. The big pods are cut off the tree. Then the cocoa beans are taken out. The beans are put into a box for 7 days. Wow, 7 days. That is a week, an entire week. If we think about the days of the week, how many do we have? 7, right? Yes. The cocoa beans are put in the sun to dry. Then they are put into sacks and sent to the chocolate factory. At the factory, the cocoa beans are cooked in a big machine. Then they are crushed to make cocoa butter. Wow, that's amazing. The cocoa butter is pressed to get the cocoa out. The cocoa is mixed with milk and sugar to make chocolate. What are some other things that we use to make chocolate? Interesting. A big machine pours the chocolate to make chocolate bars. The bars are looked at to see if they are just right. Then the chocolate is sent to the shops. Now, the chocolate is ready for us to eat. Yum. Now, at the end of this book, we also see that we have a glossary. There's a couple of words that we may have gone over in the book, and they give us the definition of exactly what those words mean. Remember, that is a text feature. Very cool, right? And that was The Chocolate Factory.